Okay, so we got lots of fun stuff in the mail today. We got some baby wipes, we got some first birthday gifts for Lenora, and then we've got some good news and some bad news. The good news is that the A168-1 Smart Desk platform in white has arrived. However, that is only the base of the desk. Upon further investigation, we realized that the actual desktop will be arriving on Monday. Today is Wednesday, so we got a little bit to wait. Let's unpack this anyway. I don't know if you guys noticed how much this thing weighed, but I'm a little weakling, so we got J-Paul to do the heavy lifting. 64 pounds. All right, here we go. Oh, styrofoam. Can we all agree that styrofoam's terrible? Oh, it's like the soft kind though. I can do the wave. Oh, it seems pretty heavy. I could do like, I don't know, do some curls. I'm a nerd, it's fine.
The eye contact is unnecessary.
So the first step requires having the desktop. We're going to try to bypass that and put it together anyway. Would have been nice if it would have all shipped together, but here we are. We're gonna do the best we can. Look at the style of the top of it.
Yeah.
You need K.
No, I don't. I need M. Where are you seeing K?
These ones.
Yeah, that's step 3, which is down here. We're on step 2.
So then, yeah, you need M. You told me you needed 8 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that stuff also says using 8.
Yeah.
I'm also using 8.
Yeah. Like what, part 5 out?
Kinda.
That goes real high.
All right, so it's Monday. My desk arrived. It is, what time is it? It is 12:50. So we have a team meeting in about 10 minutes that is going to last over an hour for sure. So we are trying to get this put together real quickly so that I get to stand during this meeting. I am so excited.
Fine, thanks for your concern.
Are you okay?
I'm great.
I figured you would have said some curse words if you weren't okay. Am I right or am I right?
Shut up.
Do these ones over here still need to be screwed in more?
Yes, eventually. Need to make sure these ones are here.
I have a feeling we're not going to make it on our time crunch.
I don't think we are. Did you remember when I said that at the beginning?
Yeah, I remember when you said it at the beginning. Okay, you were right.
Just like,
Probably. I mean, you were
I
probably
put
right.
things together frequently.
We have 4 minutes left.
Okay.
There's still a chance that if you, work hard and believe in yourself.
Well, there's a chance if you shut up.
Right, Lenora? Are you imitating the screwdriver? The drill? How long's it been?
It's been 84 years.
It's actually been about an hour and a half. Even Cody is like, ugh, God, is it ever gonna happen? Crap. J. Paul's used to this position because he works on his car a lot. And it always seems to be broken. Hey hon, there's a couple extra screws here. Should we be concerned about this?
Well, these are all just individual extras. They
Well,
do
yeah, I know that.
I don't know what these
I mean, that's like a whole section.
5 are.
I feel like you better not collapse.
Not gonna collapse. We did those. We did those.
I know you're very upset.
Those are different. Those aren't screws. Those are just. Well, I think these are for if you have a longer desk.
Oh, okay.
Like a longer-
Right, because they got that longer one.
Right.
Cool. Hold that racket over a light switch. That's a picture. What about this right here? Yeah, light switch. Just, you're only allowed to touch this one. I don't know what the other ones do. Oh, I don't know what that one does. There we go. Light it back up. All right, whole finger because you have very weak fingers. Good job. So let's take a look under the desk. So before it was just a hot mess of cords. Now J. Paul has it down to one cord coming down off the desk. And we can do like a little flip view here and take a look at this gorgeous cord management. Oh my goodness. So there's your control panel. There, that controls this leg. This little bundle controls the other leg. It all comes into this little power brick. And all of that is plugged into a power strip. And all of my on-desk electronics come through the little hole in the desk here. All right, great job, J. Paul. Looks good. All right, so this is my balance board. Just kind of rock back and forth. Engages your core a little bit. Mostly it's just so you don't get fatigue in your feet or legs throughout the day while you're standing at your desk. And I've also read in reviews that people have used it for the dishes or while they're watching TV. Both I think are really great options. Just something to keep your body from being too sedentary? Sedentary. I was gonna say sediment, but that's like dirt, right? So sedentary. You like the board? Don't lick that, okay? Nope, they're not. Gross. Ew! Ew, I put my feet there. Ow! Oh, you're so gross. Okay, that's enough. I shouldn't laugh at you, I know. I know. Nice. So not only is this a stand-up desk, but it also gives me a little bit more depth and a little bit more width. I'm very happy to have a little more space. So all we need now, all we need now is to put a light up here somewhere, and that would give a better view for people as I'm on my Zoom calls. I'm not really sure how dark you see it, but Zoom can be pretty dark when I'm on conference calls with my team or whatever. Make my virtual backgrounds a little crispier. So programming a new height into the desk is actually super duper easy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to lower it a little bit to wherever I think I might need it. Still feeling a little bit too bent in the elbows, so I'm gonna lower it a little bit more. A little bit more. So with my hand on the mouse, My hand on the keyboards, that feels pretty good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold this M button until I start to see some flashing lights. There's the flashing. I'm gonna go ahead and program that as option 2. So now I can go to option 1, where it's gonna go back up to that 44.5, and option 2, back down to my non-balance board height. And then I'll probably set option 3 as whatever my seated height is going to be. I already feel so much better. And it's smooth and beautiful. Oh. That's fun. Right as I'm doing this, I got my email that says that my autonomous order has shipped or has been delivered. Oh, and they even send you like a little assembly video guide. Yeah, I like this. So I've had this desk for about an hour and I am already super thrilled with it. I think it's going to be a great change for my work week. I'm looking forward to feeling better this week and doing right by my body. Yeah, I mean, we've been inside for 2 months and I just think I've been abusing it a little bit. So time to do it a favor, and I'm glad to finally be able to do that. So I obviously haven't actually gotten any use out of it yet, so I will give you an update in maybe a week or so. I am also going to put the links for both my balance board and this desk in the description, so if you're interested in getting either of them, it's a nice, easy way to find that. It has been 2 weeks since the initial setup of my desk, and as you can see, the tape holding up these wires did not hold very well, and I'd love to say that they lasted 2 weeks, but it actually was probably less than 12 hours. We put it together that Monday, and these wires were hanging down by the next morning, so I've just been dealing with it because I've been procrastinating doing the rest of this video, but we're gonna go ahead and get that redone. I'm gonna do a little bit of reorganizing and then we'll go through the rest of the review. Mission accomplished. All of the cords are reorganized, reattached with stronger tape, and we're back down to 1 cord coming down to the outlet, which J-Paul has covered in this wooden panel because Lenora, now that it's a taller desk, Lenora loved walking down here and just pulling on the cord and trying to stick her finger in the other outlet, and it was just not a good thing. I rearranged the desk just a tad. I switched the iMac and the monitor because we put a light up here in the corner of the stairs, and this way when I'm on my Zoom calls you can see that it just is a lot better light and it really reduces the shadows. Now that it's been 2 weeks, I feel like I can give you a little bit of a better review of the desk. So, I mean, first and foremost, it's a desk, it's a flat surface that holds all of my computers and my junk. So with that said, it's a pretty good desk, pretty good flat surface, I would say. I had read some reviews on this desk that were actually really pretty bad, and I just don't see any of the same issues that they were calling out. They said that it was unstable, and I don't think that's true. I mean, I don't notice any wobbling as the desk goes up and down. It holds all of my stuff just fine. So perhaps people were overloading it. It does have a weight capacity of about 300 pounds, or a lift capacity, I suppose is what it claims. I do think it's a little loud and a little slow, so let's go from top to bottom and see how loud it is, and also check out how long that takes. The website claims that it is 45 decibels and that it moves at about 2.3 inches per second. Like I said, it feels a little slow and it feels a little loud, but ultimately it doesn't really bother me. I still think it's great. Anything else? What else should I talk about? What else do you need to know about a desk? The desk comes in 2 sizes. I got the 53-inch long one because that's really all that this space could handle. Like we said in the setup section, there were a couple of extra screws, and that would be if you wanted the longer one. So you can see here on their website, the top one is a 53-inch, and then the bottom one is a 70.5. So if you have a designated office, that might be a good size for you. So I chose the white frame with this kind of white wood grain desktop. They do have a couple of different options. I just wanted it to be as minimal and unobtrusive as possible because it is in the middle of my house. If you're looking for more of a statement piece, say in your office or den or study or whatever you want to call it, there are other options available. The desk does come with a 30-day trial. It's been about, I don't know, 12 days, and I'm definitely not returning it. I love this desk. I feel so much better being able to stand up. I swear I could feel the spider veins forming when I was sitting at my old desk all day, every day. So just being able to have that blood flow a little bit more, I mean, it's a complete game changer. All right, let's watch it go back up to height one more time and take a look at the sturdiness or the stability of it. See, if you're noticing any wobbling, because I don't. To me, it has a very sturdy feeling. It's not going anywhere. I lean against it all day, and if I try, yeah, my screens wobble a little bit, but it's a tall desk. That's gonna happen. So all in all, I still love this desk. After 2 weeks, I don't really have any complaints. I think it was a wise investment. If you're considering whether or not to dive in and buy something like this, I'd say do it. I think you should spend your money where you spend your time, and if you're spending 8 hours every single workday at your desk, then it should be a desk that works for you. All right, that's a wrap. I hope that this gets you thinking about your own workspace and reevaluating and seeing what you can do to make it better. We might be in this for the long haul, this whole working at home thing. So do what you can to make it yours, make it more comfortable, make it more productive. Do whatever you gotta do to make your workspace your own. I don't know, what am I gonna say there? That's the best I got.
Boo, 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 boo. Oh, yeah.